Rise and shine. It's 6 a.m., and you have a busy day ahead of you. You need to prepare your lecture for the day, proofread your latest research publication, write up a grant, answer a student's email from yesterday about their midterm regrade, and you don't know where to start. And you need to make breakfast for the kids before they leave for school. Time to make the coffee. Caffeine. 137-trimethylpurine-2,6-dione. You love organic chemistry. Chemistry is life. You are an organic chemistry professor. The road to where you are now was a long one. 4 years of undergraduate college, 5 years of grad school to get a PhD in organic chemistry, 2 years into that postdoctoral fellowship at UCI. You've been an undergraduate research assistant, a graduate research assistant, a teaching assistant, an associate professor, then tenure. And now you're a professor of organic chemistry at a top-ranked university. It's been a long damn time, but it's worth it. You're making a mean of $99,000 a year, and your job has a plethora of opportunities. When you're a chemistry professor, you don't just teach, you create. You can work in labs on cutting-edge research to shape the future of modern medicine and technology, or synthesize molecules more complex and beautiful than you could ever imagine. Doing this requires creativity and interpersonal skills. You must work with other chemists in the lab. You write and review grant proposals. Your research can lead to the creation of new companies, or you could find yourself in a consulting position for another company. You could be great. Besides, you don't just create molecules, you create inspiration. You keep the outside world up to date and invested in chemistry through community work and giving talks. If you do your job right, you are the provider of knowledge and academic guidance to thousands of students. As a professor and a mentor, you introduce students to the intricacies of organic chemistry and the nuts and bolts of research. You've got to be on your game all the time. Because if you tell those students something wrong, the results could be catastrophic. Or you'll just get a bad reputation as a professor. Either way, the future of thousands of young lives are in your hands. These students are the potential doctors, engineers, and chemists of the future that will keep mankind moving forward, and you could be the one to set these undergraduate students on the path to greatness. Literally, you can perpetuate greatness with your greatness. Now, who wouldn't want that? Become a chemistry professor.